Here we have the hydraulic bolt tensioning pump, a multi-stage pump with a maximum pressure capacity of 2500 bar. Today, I'll walk you through the complete setup of the bolt tensioning equipment. First, we'll start with the NRS equipment, the nut rotator. Next, we have the bridge, which we'll position on top, followed by the load cell, which we are going to fix in place. And finally, we'll install the puller, which connects directly onto the bolt. Once all components are assembled, we always double check each connection to ensure everything is properly aligned and tightened. Now, let's move to the interconnection hoses. One interconnection hose connects here, and the second one connects on the opposite side. After attaching both hoses, we secure the locking mechanism to make sure there are no leaks or loose fittings. Before we begin pressurizing, take a moment to verify that the entire setup is fixed correctly and safely. Once everything is confirmed, we're ready to operate the system by applying pressure and beginning the bolt tensioning process.